Hey guys, for math today, I drew a flower. How strange is that? Well, I wanted to show you this because next week and the week after, you're going to go back to using your e-learning, what we called our bingo board. And across the top, you'll see reading, math, writing, social studies, and your specialists like Phy-Ed, music, and media. So I wanted to show you this flower business for math today because one of your activities says make a flower with 6 petals. Well, I wanted to make sure you knew what you were supposed to do when it comes time to do this. So I drew a flower, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with 6 petals on it. And then it says write the number 12 in the center. Well, today I wrote the number 11 because I didn't want to write 12 because that would give everything away to you. And then it says on each petal, show a way to represent 12. So I'm going to show you how we would do this. And so when you do this next week, you might have an iPad, so you could do it that way, but I think you're going to need probably just a piece of paper and draw a flower, or if you have colorful paper, you can cut it out and kind of glue it together and do it that way to make it more interesting and more fun. So the ways that we show a number, we call that representing a number, and that's just different ways that we kind of see that number. So it's always have to show 11. So on one of them, I can write it as the word 11. On one of them, I can draw it as dice. I'm going to come over here. I would need 2 dice. There would be 6 on one dice. That's the most you can get on a dice. Hello, Willie. And then the other one would have to have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's one way to represent or show 11. Let's see. Another way is to do tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 takes a dive. 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10 goes down again. There's 10, 11. One more would make 11. Another way I could show it is with coins or money. I could do nickels. I could do nickels and a penny. I could do a dime and a penny. I could do 11 pennies. But whatever you do with your money, I need to be able to see the way that you showed your number. Let's see, I might go with 5, 10. I have 2 nickels, and that's 10, so I need a penny. One more would make it a penny. And let's see, over in this one, I need, I'm just going to write a picture. I'm going to do 11 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I need to think of one more way that I can show it. Can I think of 2 numbers that when I add together they equal 11? Let's see. I'm going to go with 7 plus 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, I just had to find a missing partner. 7 plus 4 equals 11. Now on each petal, we are showing ways to get the number 11 or showing 11 of something. And each one is different. So each petal on your flower would need to be different. Okay, so now this exact job is not for today, but I wanted to show you this job. So when it comes time for you to do your wild board, if you pick that one for next week, you will know exactly what to do. So I'm going to give you actually a little bit of a different job in Seesaw. That's sort of like this. It's similar, or what we call related. So in your activities, you'll be choosing the one that says representing numbers to 100. And the direction says use hands on materials and your number apps to represent numbers in different ways. Now this says representing numbers up to 100. So if you want to be brave and bold and go with bigger numbers than 11, you can. You can go 15, 20, 30. You can go up and even put 100 in the middle, but you can't go past that, okay? So your job is actually like this one, but it's in Seesaw activities today, and you get to pick the numbers you want to put and represent them.